Hello everyone, I'm excited to be here today to present my project for this AI Agents Hackathon. The project is called Thailand Trip Companion, an intelligent AI agent designed to enhance and support tourism across Thailand. Now let me show you how it works. Thailand has been celebrated for its stunning beaches, rich culture, delicious food, and warm hospitality. In 2024 alone, Thailand welcomed over 35 million tourists, ranking first in Southeast Asia and 8th in the world for international arrivals. However, despite its popularity, Thailand's tourism industry now faces new challenges that could put this success at risk if not addressed. On March 28, 2025, a massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck Myanmar, Thailand's neighboring country. Then the tremors reached across Thailand, causing widespread alarm. In Bangkok, an under-construction building collapsed, tragically leading to multiple fatalities. These terrifying scenes quickly went viral around the world, shaking travelers' confidence. Many foreign tourists canceled their trips out of fear, putting Thailand's tourism industry and its economic future at serious risk. And the next major challenge is language barriers. According to the EF English Proficiency Index, Thailand ranks 106 out of the 116 countries, placing it among the lowest in the world of English skills. This means many locals struggle with speaking or understanding English, which can create frustrating experience for foreign travelers. It also means that many amazing attractions, especially hidden gems, remain undiscovered by tourists simply because communication is difficult. Now you might ask, doesn't Thailand already have tourism apps? And the answer is yes, but there are too many. So as you can see, these essential apps are suggested by Tourism Authority of Thailand's website. Tourists are expected to download several different apps just to plan and enjoy their trip. Even though each app is helpful, it feels inconvenient and overwhelming. So the real question is, why should tourists have to juggle so many apps? What travelers really need is one intelligent, centralized companion that can handle everything for them. And that's exactly what inspired me to create Thailand Trip Companion. So now let's dive into the application itself. I'll introduce it to you in 3 key sections so you can clearly see how it works. First, let's talk about the agent chatbot. This chatbot answers users' questions about Thailand by searching the internet in real time. Visitors can ask about hidden gems, local attractions, cultural tips, and anything related to Thailand. However, to stay focused, the agent is restricted to Thailand-related topics only. If a user asks a question that's not about Thailand, the chatbot will politely refuse to answer. Here's how it works. When a user submits a query, it first goes to a triage agent. This triage agent checks if the question is about Thailand. If yes, the query is passed to a search and answer agent that finds the best answer from the internet by Bing search. But if not, it will refuse to answer the question. So as you can see on the left, the user asks about mudeng, which went viral in Thailand for a long time ago. But if the user asks about another thing outside Thailand, the answer is refused. Next is the agent-powered solo travel planner. This planner allows AI agents to find all important trip information automatically. Users simply provide their nationality, departure and return dates, budget, and travel interests. Then, two groups of agents go to work on this. The first group creates an itinerary, including flights, hotels, attractions, and a full travel schedule. And the second group generates a personalized travel handbook, combining the itinerary with the useful information like weather, forecasts, and the travel tips. At the end, users receive a complete HTML handbook, which lists with everything they need for their journey. So, architecturally, this system uses Azure OpenAI as the foundation model. The agents can also access several tools like Bing Search for real-time data, a calculator tool for budgeting, and external APIs for extract data in websites. Other about Azure databases for PostgreSQL Server provide lists of passports and airports, and Azure Blob Storage save all the generated handbooks. And finally, we have the feedback system. Here, users can submit their opinion to help us improve the application in the future. They can rate the system with stars, write honest comments, and even upload additional files or images if they want. This feature is completely AI-free. It simply collects the feedback and stores it securely in Azure Blob Storage bucket for later analysis. Now, let's talk about the cloud architecture. This AI system is designed to be flexible. It can run both on premises and on cloud. So let's talk about the on-cloud setup. The application uses Streamlit for the user interface and CrewAI as the agent orchestrator. The entire app is containerized and pushes to Azure Container Registry. From there, the container is deployed and executed by Azure App Service inside a subnet of a virtual network here. And then we use Azure Key Vault to securely store secret credentials such as the Postgres database password, the Azure OpenAI API key, and other. So about Azure Blob Storage is used to collect user feedback and generated travel handbooks. Additionally, we have another subnet connected to Azure database for PostgreSQL Server here, which provides important data like passport and airport names. Overall, the architecture ensures high security, flexibility, and scalability. Now it's time for the most exciting part, the live demo. I will show you how this application works in action. Alright, welcome to the demo. This is the first page of the demo, so you can see that there is nothing to do here. So not wasting your time, go to the chatbot, and this is the page of chatbot. So we type something about Thailand, like who is the top actor in Thailand, and wait for the result. Here is a Mario Mauler, my Pilat, and so on. Yes, this is correct. The result is correct. Now, how about I show speed? Yeah, that's right. I show speed is American, so this chatbot is correct. Do not saying about anything but outside Thailand. Okay, so as anything like how to go to Icon Siam, which is a big mall in Thailand, and this mall is very famous. So let's see the results. Oh, here you can see this is the answer, the correct answer, and it suggests how to go there. Okay, now let's go to the next section, planner. So this one, I assume that I am a Japanese, so like Japan. I want to go to Thailand on 1st July 2025. Here I want to go there in the morning. From Tokyo, Haneda. Return. I want to return to Japan on 8th July before midnight to the same airport, Tokyo Haneda. I determine the flight budget to $500 per flight, and the hotel for $50 per night. And about anything in Thailand, let's say I want to go to temples, I want to go to some shopping malls, and I want to eat some authentic Thai food. And let's see the result here. Just wait for minutes and see the result. Okay, now let's see the result. So this is a detailed handbook, but this is a little bit too messy, so I think it should be shown in full screen handbook. Here, press it. Okay, now let's see what happened here. First, it showed the overview of the trip. So this is describe how this trip happened here from 1 to 8 July for this Japanese guy, which is okay. It's based on what he is really interested in, and where he go. Okay, next, the itinerary. This will show flights for outbound and return. And AI and agents pick the best flights according to his conditions. Like, you want to arrive Bangkok in the morning on 1st July, and cost the budget is less than $500 per flight, and for return is the same. Cost is lower than $500 and want to return at before midnight on 8 July. It's okay. And the hotel, in the AI suggests that he should stay in the night hotel Bangkok from day 1 to day 8, which is okay, maybe. The budget is $39 per night, which is okay because he determined to the hotel budget is lower than $50 per night. Okay, now let's check the schedule. He landed at Suvarnabhumi Airport. This restaurant, this is a Thai restaurant, so that he can enjoy his authentic Thai food, and then go to the Terminal 21, which is a shopping mall in Bangkok. Okay, explore what means temple in Thai. And okay, now the day 2, visit Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew, which is temples. Wat Phra, okay, temples too. Kru Apsor, a restaurant, a Thai restaurant. Okay. So you can see that the schedule is based on users or this Japanese's interests. And now this is a little bit more detailed, so this is interesting in my opinion. Okay. Now cost summary. The cost summary is about to show flights and hotel costs, which is summarized into all of their trips. Flights from outbound and return. Hotel for 7 nights, which is around here, and total cost of both of these is $927. Okay. With the forecast, which is about where this Japanese guy will arrive, which is Bangkok in July. Average temperature conditions. So he will need to prepare something like pack a lightweight rain jacket to handle this situation, like heavy afternoon showers. Okay. Next, places. So the AI pick some temples, some shopping malls here for more options in case of these Japanese guys don't want to go the places in the itinerary, so he can pick other options here, which is really cool, I think. Okay, next, flight options. And the AI pick the options here, but based on the conditions, there are only one per outbound and return, so this guy can pick another. About the hotel, actually AI picked another, like 56 Hotel Sukhumvit, Grand Mercure Bangkok Atrium, which is according to his condition too, but the AI picked this hotel in this itinerary. Okay, and the transport options. In each day, each leg, AI will find the best appropriate travel transport options. like this. Day 1 from Suvarnabhumi Airport to the hotel, and to Terminal 21, Wat, Chinatown, and come back to hotel. The AI show each leg like Suvarnabhumi to night hotel Bangkok, and options to go in each leg like using some trains, taxi, or maybe airport bus, which is cool. I think the tourists can pick some of these to go to the place he want to go. Okay. Next is about currency exchange, and in this system we locked US dollar to Thai baht only. So in the future, maybe we use another currency like Japanese yen or China yuan and others. Okay, about entry requirements. So this is a Japanese citizen. You do not need a visa for tourist trips to Thailand after 30 days. So there is no problem with this Japanese guy to coming in Thailand. Okay, and some useful Thai phrases like hello, สวัสดี thank you, ขอบคุณ and so on. Travel tips about tips in Thailand. There are something you want to do and don'ts like this, which is okay. Now, and the last one is emergency contacts. Yes, you can contact like police 191, tourist police like 1155, ambulance 1669, and Japan embassy in Bangkok, and call this. Okay. Now let's go to the next, the last section is feedback. So this is do nothing but about to collect feedback from the users, and it will be analyzed later. Like I want to check this, and I want to say thank you for this great system. And you can add some images or files to make it more clear, and then submit. Yes, and these feedbacks will go to Azure blob storage and will be analyzed later. Okay. Now let's go to the slide. In my opinion, Thailand Trip Companion can create these key impacts. First is about mitigating the risk of declining tourism. Tourists can enjoy personalized trips that match their lifestyles, helping to boost tourism overall. Second, restoring confidence. Despite recent bad incidents, this app helps tourists understand the situation clearly and feel more reassured about visiting Thailand. Third, reducing the language barrier. Tourists can use the chatbot to ask questions or communicate when language challenges arise, making travel smoother. Fourth, improving the tourist experience. By using the AI travel planner, tourists can discover new places, learn how to get there, and build richer experiences. And finally, centralizing for convenience. Instead of juggling multiple apps, travelers have everything they need in one intelligent companion, making it especially helpful for first-time visitors to Thailand. So, due to the hackathon deadline, some features had to be prioritized. However, there are many exciting next steps that could make the application even better. For the chatbot, I plan to add more specialized agents and a manager agent to handle different types of questions more efficiently. And I also want to implement stronger guardrails to prevent responses to illegal, lewd, and inappropriate queries. For the travel planner, I aim to improve output stability, since sometimes unexpected results appear despite a clear template. I would also like to add more flexibility, allowing user or AI to choose specific flights and hotels with clickable URLs. And finally, integrating maps and images of places would help travelers better visualize their plans. And other things like enhancing UX UI, possibly by migrating to React.js for a more modern and dynamic user experience, and adding user access control to track the ownership of chat history and handbooks for a more personalized experience. And that brings us to the end of the exciting presentation. Thank you all very much for your time and attention. I hope this application can inspire new ways to make travel smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. Thank you.